This man has cycled across the globe and has stated that 99% of people are kind and good. The man is called Thomas, and he is from a town called Ballyferriter in Ireland. Thomas has not long returned from cycling across multiple countries around the world, such as Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan, and India. His mission is to cycle across the whole world to meet new people, as many new people as possible. His dream started in 2016 after he finished his university studies in the city of Galway, which is on the west coast of Ireland. Afterwards, he packed his belongings and his bicycle so that he could cycle across the United States of America. At first, he wanted to just ride as many miles as possible, but then he decided he wanted to see and enjoy the world. Since then, he has visited the continents of Africa, Asia, and Australia. He said that the length of time it takes to complete his goal is not important to him. It's become a bit of addiction. The world is so big and beautiful, and a bike is fast enough that you can get from A to B, but slow enough, as I'm only doing 80 to 100 kilometers a day, that you get an opportunity to see the world properly and spend time with the people who inhabit it, he told BBC News from Northern Ireland. So, is cycling around the world expensive? When Thomas is not traveling the world, he lives in a village on the Dingle Peninsula and works at a bar and as a tour guide. He does work while he is traveling, but he says that cycling is an inexpensive way to travel. Cycling can be as cheap as you want. You have your tent and your cooking gear, he said. I've met other cyclists who are living off as little as $5 or £4 a day. How do you stay comfortable on a bike? Unfortunately, riding a bike for thousands of miles can be more than a little uncomfortable. With the camping equipment, his bike is heavy, and so sometimes he cannot travel fast. He said that he cycles between 4 to 8 hours a day. He often stops to take a break and to talk to people. What has the highlight of his travels been? The highlights of Thomas's travels have been the people he has met. He has experienced a lot of kindness, especially in countries such as Sudan and Afghanistan. He said that people would sometimes offer him money, water, food, or a place to sleep. So what's next? Thomas sometimes asks himself, when am I going to stop? But he feels like he is not ready to stop yet. His next trip will be to South America. He plans to visit every country, region by region. Lessons learned. For Thomas, the best part of his journey has been seeing the goodness in people. I can't think of any bad experience I've ever had, he said. 99% of people are good, peaceful people who just want to live a peaceful life and leave behind a good life for their kids and grandkids. That's all for today. If you liked this video and the article made you feel happy or hopeful, please give the video a like and click on the little notification bell so that you can stay up to date with some of the best and most positive things that are happening in the world today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.